completed the beehives, 5 rows simultaneously, and going for this portion, chain and then 3 beehives, again a chain and then 3 beehives. This is how I am doing. Chain, skipping one chain, first beehive, second beehive, third beehive, now skip one chain beehive from the previous one and go for the next, leaving a bit of gap for this portion, and then again 3, now this row will be the same, 1, 2 and 3, then skip, then do 3 more next to each other, two, 1, and the knot should be placed in center of the previous chains as I had shown you earlier, keeping spaces also equal and holding it correctly in center and pulling the thread, 1, 2, 3. And skip and go for the next, and this is how it looks. 3, skipping 1, 3, skipping 1, 3, skip, 3, skip. This is how you have to do. And when you reach at the end, and if there are 3 or 2, when you reach the end, 3 beehives, and then you have to skip, or if there are 4 beehives and you have to skip, you can reduce these 4 beehives to 3 and then skip. Or if there are only 2 beehives between 2 chains, linear chains, you will have to create 1 more beehive and then do. You have to adjust, you have to take a judgment, adjust and see that this row will consist of 3 beehives and 1 you have to skip, again 3 beehives and 1 you have to skip equally, so that it will look exactly as I have shown here. This will have to work with this, and you will have to reach the starting point. Complete this row. See, this is how I am holding, putting the needle in front, center of this, this is how you have to continue. Continuing from the previous row, now I am going to work on this long chain. Put the needle inside, put a knot, and now work for these 3 petals. Put these 3 petals, one, 2, and 3 petals. I should have pulled this previous one nicely. Now it's looking good. Okay. Now on these 3 previous beehives we have to put 3 knots. 1, 2 knots, I think. 1, 2, and 3. And from here I'm going to jump to this chain, lengthy chain, place a knot here, and then 3 petals. Three petals, and we are going to jump to this next previous rows. Place a knot in the center. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to jump to this lengthy one. 3 petals. Three petals, and you're going to jump as usual to the next. You have to continue in this way. Till you come back to the starting point.